Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today we're going to dive into an incredible juice recipe that will help you say goodbye to constipation, flush out pounds of trapped waste from your intestines, and relieve bloating and gas. If you've ever experienced the discomfort and frustration of these symptoms, you know how much they can impact your daily life. But don't worry, I've got an all-natural, delicious solution that will get your digestive system back on track in no time. First, let's break down what's really happening when you're constipated or bloated. Constipation occurs when your bowel movements become infrequent or difficult to pass, often resulting in hard, dry stools. This can happen for a variety of reasons, such as not getting enough fiber in your diet, dehydration, lack of physical activity, certain medications, stress, or changes in your routine. When you're constipated, waste material moves more slowly through your digestive system, which can lead to a buildup of pounds of trapped waste in your intestines. This, in turn, can cause bloating and gas. Bloating is that uncomfortable, swollen feeling in your belly that makes you feel like you've eaten too much, even when you haven't. Gas is a normal byproduct of digestion, but when it gets stuck in your intestines, it can cause pain, discomfort, and those embarrassing, rumbling noises. So how can juice help tackle these issues? Well, certain fruits and vegetables are packed with nutrients that support healthy digestion and can help get things moving again. Here are some of the key players in our constipation-busting juice recipe. Prunes. These dried plums are well-known natural laxatives due to their high fiber content, and sorbitol, a sugar alcohol that helps draw water into the intestines to soften stools. Apples. Rich in pectin, a type of soluble fiber that helps regulate bowel movements and promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Spinach. This leafy green is loaded with magnesium, a mineral that helps relax the muscles in your digestive tract, making it easier to pass stools. Lemon. The citric acid in lemon juice stimulates your digestive system and can help flush out toxins. Ginger. This spicy root has been used for centuries to aid digestion, reduce inflammation, and relieve gas and bloating. Now that you know the why behind the ingredients, let's get to the good stuff, the recipe. Here's what you'll need: 4 to 5 pitted prunes, 1 apple cored and chopped, 1 cup spinach, half a lemon peeled, 1-inch piece of ginger peeled, 1 cup water. Simply toss all the ingredients into your blender and blend until smooth. If the mixture is too thick, add a bit more water until you reach your desired consistency. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately for best results. For optimal digestive relief, try incorporating this juice into your morning routine. Drinking it on an empty stomach allows your body to absorb the nutrients more efficiently. You can also sip on it throughout the day as needed. In addition to drinking this juice, there are a few other things you can do to support healthy digestion. Stay hydrated. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day to keep things flowing smoothly. Get moving. Regular exercise helps stimulate your digestive system and can prevent constipation. Eat more fiber. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes into your diet to ensure you're getting enough fiber. Manage stress. High levels of stress can wreak havoc on your digestive system, so find ways to relax and unwind, such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Making lifestyle changes can be challenging, especially if you're used to a certain way of eating or living. But remember, small steps can lead to big results over time. If you're not used to eating a lot of fiber, start slowly and gradually increase your intake to avoid discomfort. And if you slip up and miss a day of exercise or forget to drink your juice, don't beat yourself up. Just get back on track the next day. It can also be helpful to enlist the support of friends or family members who share your health goals. You can even make a batch of this juice together and enjoy it as a group. Celebrating your successes, no matter how small, can help keep you motivated and on track. There you have it, folks. A simple, tasty, and effective juice recipe to help you kick constipation to the curb, flush out pounds of trapped waste, and say goodbye to bloating and gas for good. Remember, your digestive health is a crucial component of your overall well-being, so don't neglect it. By incorporating this juice into your daily routine and making a few other positive lifestyle changes, you'll be well on your way to a happier, healthier gut. I hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. And if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with digestive issues, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health.